Before performing regression analysis, it is recommended to run a scatter plot to determine if there is a linear relationship between variables. If there is no linear relationship, that is, points on a graph are not clustered on a straight line, then a simple linear regression would not be an appropriate analysis to use. If scatter plot depicts linear relationship between the two variables, in such situations, a simple linear regression analysis is used. To draw a scatter plot in Excel, open Car Sales Workbook. This workbook has 3 worksheets. The first worksheet presents average manufacturing expenses per car for the period 1991 to 2010. On this data, draw a scatter plot. First, select the data along with headers. Then, click Insert tab. From Charts, click on Scatter. From drop-down list, select Dotted Chart. A scatter plot is displayed. You can see that the average manufacturing expenditure of a car increased. The data points are headed towards right. To know the linearity of this data, add a trend line to chart. To add a trend line, from Chart Layouts, select Chart Type with a line. A trend line is placed on chart. Expand size of the chart to get a clear view of the trend line. Data points, that is, average expenditure per car, are clustered on trend line, which means the data is linear. Another point is the relationship is positive. The average expenditure per car increased from year to year. As you find a linear relationship, you can run simple linear regression analysis on this data. Now, draw a scatter plot and fit trend line on data presented in New Car Sales Worksheet. Here also, you find a linear relationship. However, the data points are not perfectly clustered on trend line. Here, the relationship between years and new car sales are negative. There is a gradual decline in sales. As the relationship seems to be linear, you can run simple linear regression analysis. Finally, draw scatter plot and fit a trend line on data provided in Car Imports Worksheet. You can see deviations in data points from trend line. Here, the relationship is non-linear, so you can't run simple linear regression on this data set. You may consider running other regression techniques like logarithmic or polynomial. Once you find out the kind of relationship between variables, that is linear, exponential, logarithmic, polynomial, etc., then move on to run appropriate regression techniques.